Hello beautiful humans, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing Beltane. Beltane is one of the 4 ancient Gaelic seasonal festivals. It's also known as May Day, and it marks the beginning of summer, and it's celebrated on May 1st. It's a time to welcome the warmer weather, celebrate fertility, and honor the changing of the seasons. It's a wonderful time of joy and celebration. It's also believed that the veil between the spiritual world and our world is thin during this time, and it's a perfect opportunity to connect with nature and the divine. Beltane is associated with fertility and new beginnings, and it's a time when people traditionally come together to celebrate the changing of the seasons. In this video, I'd like to discuss some ways that we can celebrate Beltane. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more videos celebrating the turning of the wheel. One of the most well-known rituals during Beltane is lighting of bonfires. These fires are lit to symbolize the return of the sun and to honor the god and goddess. People often jump over the fire as a symbol of purification and to bring good luck for the coming year. It symbolizes the return of the sun and the warmth it brings. So gather your family, friends, and have a bonfire in your backyard or a nearby park, if it's allowed. And as you gather around the fire, take time to reflect on the past and set intentions for the future. Because Beltane is a celebration of fertility, it's fitting to decorate with flowers. Choose bright, colorful flowers, such as daisies, lilies, and sunflowers. You can use them to make flower crowns or garlands to wear during the festivities. Hang them around your home, or use them to decorate a beautiful centerpiece for your Beltane feast. And speaking of feasts, food is an essential part of any celebration. Prepare a Beltane feast using fresh seasonal ingredients. Some traditional foods for Beltane include honey, oatcakes, and fresh fruit. If you're feeling creative, you can even bake a May Day cake or create a Beltane-inspired cocktail. Another fun thing to do is dancing around the Maypole. It's a popular Beltane tradition. The Maypole represents the fertility of the earth and is decorated with colorful ribbons and flowers. As you dance around the Maypole, you weave the ribbons together, creating a beautiful pattern. This is a fun and interactive way to celebrate Beltane with friends and family. It's a symbol of the union between the god and goddess and the coming together of the community. Beltane is also a time for planting and growth. It's a perfect opportunity to start new projects or to set intentions for the coming months. Many people use this time to create a Beltane altar in their homes, filled with flowers, candles, and other symbolic items. And connect with nature. Beltane is a celebration of the earth and the changing of the seasons. So take some time to connect with nature by going for a walk in the woods, visiting a local park, or simply spending time in your backyard. Take in the beauty of the blooming flowers and the warmth of the sun. It's a great way to feel grounded and connected to the natural world. Whether you choose to dance around the Maypole or have a bonfire with friends, there are many ways to honor the changing of the seasons. And if you have any other ideas for celebrating Beltane, please share them in the comments below. Beltane is a wonderful opportunity to celebrate life, love, and the changing of the seasons. It's a reminder to connect with nature and to honor the cycles of life. So whether you're celebrating with friends, family, or on your own, I wish you a joyful and blessed Beltane. As always, be kind to yourself.